Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you some cleaning motivation in the kitchen and decorating my coffee bar for St. Patrick's Day. I already have this St. Patrick's Day sign up here from the Lucky Charms box. I've kept that for a few years, so that is already up. And then behind me I have the decor. This is also going to be a collab with Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home. This is the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab. It's hosted every week by Sunday Dawn, so definitely check out her channel and the description box for a playlist for more content creators giving you all the cleaning motivation you need to tackle small things around your home and help you make a little bit of a difference one step at a time in your home. So let's turn the camera around and get started on the cleaning motivation. So here is my St. Patrick's Day decor that I have pulled out. These are from a sock. I just cut a sock in half and then I put them on my little marshmallow cups. I've been doing that for a few years. And this is a Christmas mug. It's the gingerbread one, but I like to use it for St. Patrick's Day too, to decorate, because can't catch me leprechaun, can't catch me gingerbread. So love to use my pieces multiple seasons if I can. And then these two cups I created with my Cricut machine. Picked this up from the thrift store and then added this decal in, and then I made this one, not really St. Patrick's Day, but the rainbow and the green, so I like to put that out on my coffee bar. And then these are the other pieces I've pulled. I thought I'd go with happy because happy St. Patrick's Day, and when I put the green in, yep. So we're gonna put this all together. that is going to finish up today's video. So glad to have these dishes done. We had been keeping up on them, but as a family of 6, they just pile up and they keep coming. But it is so good to get these ones done. And now we'll go ahead and put away the dishes drying off to the side in a little bit. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. And don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist linked down below for more cleaning motivation and tiny tidies from other great YouTubers. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.